YouTubers, this is Sylvia, and I am here with a modest unboxing of the Keurig Hot K250 Plus series machine. Basically, I got it from BrandSmart, purchased it with my own money. This is the machine itself. As you can see, we open it up, remove that paper there, and you have your little orange thingy that comes out of it. There's your water reservoir there that holds, I think, 40 ounces. Yeah, 40 ounces. So, this is just me showing you the beginning of it, and I will come back later with how to use it.